focused on prevention, early detection, and prompt treatment. This can involve a range of measures, including the use of vaccines, quarantine, and biosecurity measures. Regular health monitoring, and the use of appropriate medications or other treatments as needed. In some cases, the use of antibiotics or other medications may be necessary. Although this approach is often controversial due to concerns about the development of antibiotic resistance and the potential impacts on human health and the environment. One approach to addressing the issue of antibiotic resistance in the treatment of marine animal diseases is the development of alternative treatments, such as probiotics, bacteriophages, and other natural products. These approaches focus on promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria or using viruses to target specific pathogens, rather than relying on broad-spectrum antibiotics that can have negative impacts on both the target and non-target organisms in the ecosystem. In addition to these specific treatment approaches, there is a need for increased research and understanding of the underlying causes and mechanisms of marine animal diseases, as well as the impacts of these diseases on both the affected organisms and the broader marine ecosystem. This can involve the use of advanced molecular and genetic tools to identify pathogens and track disease outbreaks, as well as the development of new diagnostic tools and treatment approaches that are more effective and sustainable. Furthermore, there is a need for increased education and awareness-raising efforts to promote more responsible and sustainable practices in the management of marine animal health. This can include the promotion of biosecurity measures and responsible antibiotic use in aquaculture, as well as the development of sustainable seafood certification programs that promote the use of responsible and environmentally sustainable practices in the production and management of seafood products. In addition to addressing the specific types of diseases that affect marine animals, it is important to consider the broader factors that can contribute to the spread and impact of these diseases. These factors can include environmental factors, such as changes in water temperature, salinity, or oxygen levels, as well as human activities, such as pollution, overfishing, and the introduction of non-native species. Climate change is also a major factor that can contribute to the spread and impact of diseases in marine animals. Rising temperatures, changes in precipitation patterns, and ocean acidification can all have significant impacts on the health and resilience of marine ecosystems, and can create conditions that are more favorable for the growth and spread of pathogens. To address these broader factors, there is a need for increased research and an understanding of the interactions between marine animals, their pathogens, and the broader environmental and social contexts in which they exist. This can involve the use of advanced monitoring and modeling tools to track the spread and impact of diseases, as well as the development of new technologies and approaches to promote the resilience and adaptability of marine ecosystems. Furthermore, there is a need for increased education and awareness-raising efforts to promote more responsible and sustainable practices in the management of marine ecosystems. This can include the promotion of sustainable fishing practices, the reduction of pollution, and other human impacts on marine ecosystems, and the development of sustainable seafood certification programs that promote the use of responsible and environmentally sustainable practices in the production and management of seafood products.